Welcome to this review of the Beavercraft Rotary leather strop. This is a great way for kind of elevating your stropping game for speed. I think you're still going to get a lot of personal satisfaction and care out of stropping a knife the traditional way, which this is a stropping block that I made. It's got leather on both sides. This is the interior facing leather on this side, the coarse side of the leather, and this is the fine side. And you know, to strop with this, you're going to find your blade angle, go up a little bit, and then pull back. And that's the stropping action on a regular stropping block. Now, we're going to put this aside, and we're going to focus on setting up this power stropper, which gives you the advantage of using a drill or some way to get some rotational motion to accelerate that process and to keep your edges tuned in a more mechanized way. So we're going to push the arbor into the leather wheel. Again, none of this has to be done to a really, really high level of force. Hand tight is probably going to be just fine. We're going to go ahead and chalk this up in our cordless drill. You can use a corded drill. It does not have to be cordless. So what we're going to do, we're going to mount it here on my handy carving block. Bring it down here. It's going to go like that. I'm just clamping that body of that drill in like that. I'm going to take a smaller clamp and put it on the trigger and just bring it in till I get that spinning a little bit. Then I'm going to take my compound You don't need this going a million miles an hour. In fact, I would argue you don't want this going at a very high RPM. 100 or so RPM is probably just fine. Now, because this is rotating this way, we're going to bring the blade Now, it may take a couple of doses of compound on this to get it impregnated well. But this is a great way to get stropping done in a hurry. Remember, we're always stropping away from the blade. So this is rotating this way. It's going away from the edge. And if you want to know how you're doing, just keep looking for that polished edge. You'll see it. And then we'll go the other way. We're doing the other side of the blade. I didn't mean the other way. We never go towards the blade. We always go away from the blade. Man, that makes a nice edge. But that's it. That's the Beavercraft portable rotary leather strop. A great tool, great value, absolutely worth every penny.